As a part of the minister of this government, I will brief CM and what we can do. Now there are skills which can be continued in the way we are doing, and we can take the skills of what our young engineer friend has said. So there is a combination of things that we can do, and I think we have to adapt to the systems. And when we adapt to the system, then we can create entrepreneurship. And that is what we have to all look at. Jobs is one part of it, and entrepreneurship is what we should look at the younger generation to see forward. And I think with these few words, if you tell me to speak as a politician, we always like to speak for hours and hours. But let me wind it up, because my program, I think they have gone as per schedule. I should not miss the schedule, and you must be all hungry. But let us all get together, because you all are all part of it. ITIs in Goa are there as government ITIs. We require the generation of people who are having their own set of skills and taking people on board. It might not be in the form of employment, but as private entrepreneurs, there are a lot of youngsters who are like, I will call them entrepreneurs, to teach entrepreneurship. So we'll put this together. I don't know how far I can put it, but my Honorable Chief Minister said that as the target now has come from 46 to 36,000, something like that. It should not go down to 25 next year. It should remain 36, and let us skill our people. It may not be only for the employment. It may not be only in the search of doing something new, but everybody requires skilling. And as today, I have realized that I think we all realize that people today, to get, as he has said, that you go in England, you work by the hour. That concept has not come here. I mean, very small laborer, even when he comes for 2 hours, he'll ask you for the full day's salary. So that concept will come slowly, and we have to all prepare ourselves. As we know that even if I have to have an electrician in my house to change a bulb or to do something, I think we'll have to skill ourselves, and these programs can skill ourselves where we can do something of our own. It is not necessary that we wait for somebody else. That is my concept. Maybe
Food Panda in the States. And I told my mother when I was starting my business, just after engineering I started off, the very next day, in fact during the engineering, I told my mother that, Mama, one day, very soon, you will be able to order food on your app and it will come home. And there was an epic reaction I got from my mother. She didn't have a word to say. She thought, I'm going crazy, I'm going mad. And she quietly walked inside the house, and the very next day my mother is telling me, Baba, you should get married. Because of the first day reaction. Because she didn't believe things happening. And today it is happening. I live in Ponda. I'm from Usgaon, but we live in Ponda. So today we order food. My mom orders food over Swiggy when she's bored. On Sundays, Saturdays, she orders food over Swiggy in Ponda. So these things are happening. We need digital literacy. Flipkart, the e-commerce market has taken over the local business. But how does Flipkart work? Flipkart is not supplying goods all on their own. It is using our local people, local businessmen, provided they have the digital literacy. They can comply with registering on the portal, on the Flipkart portal, going through the training programs. They know how to upload the products. They know how to accept the order, be at it all the time. So again, digital literacy is helping us get jobs. Book My Show you can use to host your events, get income. If you are skilled, if you're really great about guiding tourists to a walk, to a tour, you can host it on Book My Show and you can earn money. Earn money through what you love. Swiggy, as I talked about, give jobs to thousands and thousands of delivery agents, which did not exist in the past, which never existed in the past. And these are new jobs being created because food as a job was still there. Delivery agents were never